One small mistake while replacing a refrigeration compressor can cost thousands in damage and even violate environmental laws. Here's how professionals handle it the right way. Welcome to PartsFe. Replacing a refrigeration compressor isn't just another repair. It's a precise procedure that directly affects system performance, efficiency, and longevity. That's why it must always be performed by certified technicians to ensure safety and environmental compliance. Before beginning, proper protective equipment is essential, including insulated gloves and safety goggles. Technicians must also hold certification to legally recover and handle refrigerants. The first step is refrigerant recovery. All existing refrigerants must be safely removed using a certified recovery machine and transferred into approved cylinders. Venting refrigerant into the atmosphere is illegal and harmful to the environment. Once the system is empty, clean the copper lines before cutting to prevent debris contamination. Use a pipe cutter to remove the failed compressor, and immediately seal open lines with caps or tape to keep moisture and dirt out. Whenever the system is opened, always install a new liquid line filter dryer. This protects the new compressor by removing moisture and acids that could cause premature failure. During wiring, carefully follow the manufacturer's electrical diagram to ensure all connections are tight to prevent voltage drops or arcing. Brazing connections should be completed using silver solder. Remove valve cores before heating to protect internal seals. Then, evacuate the system with a vacuum pump to at least 500 microns and perform a decay test to confirm it is leak-free. Finally, recharge refrigerant by weight using a digital scale, monitor a full cycle, and verify proper pressures and cooling performance. For trusted commercial kitchen equipment parts, visit PartsFe in the USA, UK, and Canada. Follow us on social media for expert appliance repair tips. Thanks for watching.